In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit label names in Microsoft Planner. To get started, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct work or school account. Once you are in Planner, you need to navigate to the plan where you want to update your labels. In this example, we are going into a plan called Project Management. Select Project Management from your list of plans so you are looking at the tasks for that specific board. When the plan opens, stay in the main task view where you can see your tasks laid out. Labels in Planner are color-coded tags you can apply to tasks, and editing the label name helps your team understand what each color actually means, such as priority, department, or status. Next, locate the label option. In the plan view, click on Add Label. This opens the label area where you can manage the labels available for this plan. If you click Add Label again, you will see the set of label colors and the current label names, which are often blank or set to something generic if they have not been customized yet. Now you will rename the label. Click directly on the label name field you want to change, and highlight the existing text. Highlighting is important because it lets you replace the entire name quickly, instead of editing one character at a time. Once the text is highlighted, type the new label name you want to use. Keep your label names short and specific, so they are easy to scan on a task card. Also, try to use consistent naming across your plan, since labels are shared across the whole plan and will appear the same for everyone viewing it. After you finish typing, click Away to confirm the change. Planner saves these label name updates within the plan, so the new name will be available immediately when you assign labels to tasks. And that is all there is to it.